Welcome to this calming yoga session designed to relax your body and prepare your mind for deep, restful sleep. These gentle poses will ease stress, release tension, and naturally improve your sleep quality. Whether you need to unwind after a long day or struggle with restlessness, this session will help you drift into peaceful slumber. So, find a quiet space, take a deep breath, and let's begin this journey to complete relaxation.
Let's do Balasana, the child pose. Let's go. Okay, we're starting on Vajrasana, sitting on our knees and at the edge of the mat. And then inhale, exhale, start walking with your hands in the direction of the other side of the mat until you stretch your arms and then drop the forehead on the mat. Let the elbows fall on the mat as well. Slow down your inhalations and exhalations. Take a minute here. And then walk back with your hands, coming back into the starting posture. Let's do Bhujangasana, the Cobra Pose. Are you ready? We're starting this time on the belly. Bring your hands next to your shoulders and your feet together. And with our next inhalation, we're gonna bring the chest up using the back muscles. We're not pushing ourselves, we're using the back muscle to stay up. Bring your feet together slightly above the ground, and we're staying here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly come back down. You can push yourself back up, and we're coming back in our starting posture. Let's do Dhyana Mudra, the meditation seal or gesture. Let's go. So join me onto a seated cross-leg position. And then bring your right hand on the top of the left hand like this. And then connect your thumbs together. Here you can drop the hands on your lap, close your eyes, and start slowing down your breath. Stay as long as comfortable in that meditative mudra. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes, remove your hands, and come back onto your starting posture. Let's do Matsyasana, the fish pose. Ready? Okay, we're starting here, sitting on the mat, facing the short side of the mat. And we start by sitting in lotus pose, bringing the left foot on the top of the right thigh and the right foot on the top of the left thigh. And then here, we're gonna walk with the hands back, bringing the elbows on the mat, sitting on the hands, opening the chest, rolling the shoulder, and here we're gonna drop the head on the mat. Fantastic. Open your chest, and we're staying for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push yourself from the elbow, engage the abs, come back onto the lotus pose, and get out of the pose. Let's do Purna Yogic Pranayama, the Yogic Full Breath. Are you ready? Sit comfortably on your mat. This is a breath in 3 times. We start with abdominal breath. Inhale, expand the belly, and exhale, contract the belly. The second time is the chest. Inhale, expand the chest, and exhale, contract the chest. And finally, the third time is the clavicles. As we inhale deeply, We lift up the clavicles, and as we exhale, they drop down. Then we put all of these together. Inhale, start with the belly, the chest, and the clavicles, and exhale, clavicles, chest, and belly. Again, inhale, exhale. One more time, inhale, and exhale. Let's do Apanasana, the knee to chest pose. All right, let's start sitting facing the short side of the mat. And then lay on your mat. Bring the back against the mat. And then with your hands, catch your knees and very slowly bring them to your chest. You can just hold on your knees or even hug your knees to your chest. You decide also if you want to bring your forehead against the knees or if it stays on the mat. So 3, 2, 1. And then you can gently let go of the legs and come to a laying posture. Let's do Supta Kapotasana, the reclining pigeon pose. Let's go. All right, lay on your mat, keeping your legs bent. And then bring the right foot on the top of the left thigh. Interlock your fingers behind the left thigh. Inhale. And as you exhale, bring the foot closer to your chest. For 3, 2, 1, let go. And then we're just changing sides. Bring the left foot on the top of the right knee. Interlock your finger behind the right thigh. Inhale. Exhale, bring the foot closer to your chest. For 3, 2, 1, you can let go and come back into a laying posture. Let's do Skanda Chakra, the shoulder rolls. Are you ready? Sit on your mat in a cross-legged position and then bring your hands in front of you, palms facing up, and drop your hands on your shoulders. Bring the elbows together and then inhale, start rotating. Inhale up and exhale as you go down. Take your time. One more. And the next time you arrive up, just change the direction. One more time. Beautiful. And you can let go of the hands, bring them back on the knees and relax. Let's do Vajrasana, the thunderbolt posture. Ready? We're starting here in a cross-leg sitting position. And then I'm gonna bend the left leg, bringing the foot behind me. I'm gonna connect the right knee with the left knee. Fantastic. And then simply sit here on my feet. Bring your hands on your knees. Keep the back straight, the shoulders relaxed, and take a long inhalation. Exhale. Let's take a couple of breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. One last deep breath. Inhale. And exhale. Beautiful. And then whenever you want, you can leave the posture, coming back into our seated cross-leg position. Let's do Prasarita Padottanasana, the wide-legged forward bends. And we are starting standing on the mats. Here, open your legs wider, as wide as comfortable, making sure that the toes are pointed outwards. Let the legs be a little bit soft, no overstretching. Put your hands on your hips and start leaning forward, keeping the spine straight. Lean forward, stop halfway. Inhale. Exhale, keep leaning forward. Bring your hands on the mat. And let's drop the head on the mat. We're staying here for 3, 2, 1, and come back up, pushing yourself with the hands halfway, and then bend the legs and come all the way back up. Legs together and relax.
Well done. Take a moment to embrace the calm and stillness within. These gentle movements have helped relax your body and mind, preparing you for deep, restful sleep. Remember, consistency is key. Just a few minutes of yoga each night can transform your sleep quality and overall well-being. Now take a deep breath in and slowly exhale, wishing you a peaceful and restorative sleep. See you in the next session.